Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a real Rust console app so you can run and iterate quickly. First, make sure RustUp and Cargo are present. Run Rust version to confirm. Next, create a binary project with Cargo new name and change into that directory. Open src/main. rs now, you will place println and input handling there. This gets you past setup and into code immediately, so you can test output and input without extra configuration. Once done with setup, implement the core input/output loop. You print prompts with println, write errors with eprintln, and then read a line using std, eo, stdin, read line, and mut buffer. Make sure to call trim and parse. When you need a number, parse returns a result, so use match or the operator inside main returning result, box din error. This pattern keeps error handling explicit and prevents panics, making behavior predictable. When you finish by running and iterating. Use Cargo Run to execute your console app and supply typical and edge inputs to observe behavior and exit codes. If logic is complex, add unit tests or small integration tests to validate parsing and message formatting. When something fails, print intermediate debug values or use dbg. To inspect state, make sure to handle error branches so the app exits cleanly. If performance matters, compare debug versus Cargo Run release and profile as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.